everyone, it's me, Lee, with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and it is day 5, or page layout 5, double page layout. This is Simply Paisley Scrapbook Kit from Anna Griffin. I'll put the link in the comments for you to jump over and either buy this kit that she has still, or other kits and other scrapbook items and everything. So I wanted to show you and remind you we had 2 pages left over, the double-sided, and all this still left over. It probably had close to 400 to 500 pieces with this. So let me move the book, and it's not going to be an alligator mouth when it's all said and done. And I did add 2 extra page protectors and 4 layouts. This came with 10 and I added 2 more to have 12. Okay, so I have these for backup, but I'm not sure in the month of May if it's going to be travel or party, so it's just in case. I didn't want to, I didn't have a title. So here is the pages. Let me move my work one out of the way. Here is the pages, the double page layout. It's this one and this one. And when I made it, I'm like, I should have put it to where these 2 line up, because it would line up if I didn't twist it. I should have had it where they line up and have this in the middle and these off to the outside. So I think I'm going to change that when I make it. If not, then your pages will look, see how they line up right here? They line up right here, but I'm going to actually have this in the middle here. So, but you can screenshot it. It's going to be the same. So, yeah, let's make the pages. Put this here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to tell you exactly what to pull out, what to cut, and everything. So it's going to be this page. That's what's on the other side. Let's see how wide this is. This is 2 inches. That was on the other side. We have these 2. We have this. We have travel or party, but I'm not going to put it down. I'm going to wait and see what pictures get put on the photo mats. We have a signature journaling card. Okay, let me see here. What do we have here? We have these 2 for this 1 page layout. Now you're going to do double because we're doing a double page. So this you need 2 of these at 2 inches and 2 and 4 of these and 2 of these. So you have these 2. We have 1 of these, but we need 2. And then let's see, are these facing the same or are they opposites? These are opposites. Yeah, they're opposites. And then we have this one with the pink little flower going off to this side and the purple on each end. Okay, so let's get started. I used the grid on Anna Griffin's table, on my glass table of Anna's, but I'm going to get the ruler just in case we need it. These colors have so much movement and so many colors that I try to find something like this purple here to cut some of it so that you can not get a little dizzy. Oh, that got a little crooked. Ugh. There we go. So that was easy. Even adding 2 page protectors, we still had extra paper left over. And now with the extra ephemera and paper, we can make cards or whatever. No pop dots on this one. So we have this one going there, this one going here. Okay? And this is how I do it. I start from the top and work my way in. So, you know, I made these, see, this one's going here. I made this about, I want to say, 6 months ago, before I even started making these videos. I prepped all this and then just got really busy. So this one's going in, let's see, this one is going in between the photos, so we need this. So then this one, I want the roses out this way, and then this goes in the middle. So I have it laid out, so now that I have it laid out and I have it fit, now I can stick it down. And for time's sake, it is a sticky, but I'm just using some glue. And all I'm doing is covering up this little tail. Try to make it look about the same. And then this goes right here in the middle. It is a sticker, but I just would rather use the hot glue. Okay, so now all we have to do is add these two. So let's get, these are not stickers, which is no problem. We just use our score tape or whatever tape or glue you would like. And we're going to put these down. So let me see. I put it 1 inch. 1 inch all the way around. So I'm going to use this and this so I can see that I'm going up 1 inch. And I'm going over 1 inch, and this, to do the inch, the pink went on top of the pink, which is fine. And then this other right here, I'm only going to glue it right in the center so that we can stick a picture underneath it on both and not have to trim the picture. So we're going to just put a line of glue and put it there. So the next one we're going to do is going to be the same way. We're going to have it side by side, and I think I'm going to run out of time. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to lay it out so you can see it. So we're going to put that there. We're going to put that there. I'm going to put this here. Now, you can save that since you have them so close together and not use it and save it for another page if you want. So we're going to put this one here. I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to put this right here. See how it's opposite? I'm going to put this one right here, and then this we're going to line up so that it is even. And then we're going to put this and this, and it is 1 inch over, 1 inch down, and 1 inch from the bottom, and then the pink lay on top of each other, and then this goes there. So that is the 2-page layout. If you don't like it being all like this, then just put this half over here on the other side like this one. So it could be looking like that, but we changed it up. So it's whichever one you like. And then in these two, or any of them, you don't have to use my words, any of them that you like. You could put travel, you could put party, you know, you could do whatever you would like. So this is my thoughts and ideas. So if you share this video, I have a surprise for everybody. I have a whole bunch of extra dies of Anna Griffins, and once a month I'm going to give out dies of Anna Griffins as a giveaway. Anything I do that's Anna Griffin. My links for Anna Griffin's site will be in the comments on any of my videos. And so yeah, have a blessed day, everybody. I'll make a video about sharing my my videos of Anna Griffin to be a part of a giveaway of Anna Griffin's dies. Have a blessed day.